You have successfully installed WordPress but cannot install or update plugin and is asking for an FTP username and password. Of course, this error is caused by an FTP connection issue. To fix it, we have to change the file permission. First, we need to click on button Consent and open Finder and go to Application and Find and click on Sound folder and click on Sound file folder and click on Edit folder. Right-click on WordPress folder, click on Get Info, and scroll down and click on Setting Information and update permission or user to read and write, and click on Log icon and enter your MacBook password. Then go to click on this part to apply enclosed item and click OK to confirm. Now the permission folder are updated and we can move to the next step. Open the WordPress folder that we just updated. Find and locate WP config.php and open it with Visual Code and also text edit. I'm sure to open it with Visual Code. Inside the file, scroll down and find this file and select this line blank and enter. And pass the passcode here and let's enter. And list the path blank and save the file and close it. One more for the example of if you want to be open it with text edit. Inside the file, scroll down and find the path and list it blank and you enter. And pass the passcode here and list it blank under the passcode and save the file and close it. Go to Chrome or Safari and open it and tap localhost/WordPress/WP admin to log in your WordPress admin dashboard to test whether we can update or install plugin. And example one, okay, like update it. Oh, great that we can successfully update it without any required FTP, password and username, and can be test about install the plugin. Oh, great, it also works. So we can install and update our plugin without any FTP errors.